Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker unboxing and a review of the VANS OG Old Schools. Before we get into the review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Drop some comments, we want to engage with you guys, we try our best to reply to every single comment, and slap that like button, we want to see those likes, show some love, and we are so grateful for it. Let's get into the review. So today we've got a look at the VANS Vault OG collection, and more specifically we've got a look at the OG Old School, and the colorway is navy, and there's a bunch of other colorways here, but I can't tell by the coding. It's like Stephen Navy or something, but I know this as the white and the navy and whites. Sorry. And we got these in the US size 8. It's a UK size 7. It's a European 40.5, and we were able to get these VANS Vault collections from Offspring. So for those that don't know, there's a difference between the classic VANS that you can get in the general market and the VANS Vault collection. And the VANS Vault collection is VANS's premium line, where they use a lot of premium materials, and it takes a lot of the designing and all the paneling, all the stitching, all that work, all the materials are based on the originals that came out in the 1960s when VANS came out. So let's get looking, and I know what you're gonna say. What is the difference between this and the classic navy old school? Well, fear not, you've come to the right place. We're gonna go into the little differences, and we always start with the outsole. So the outsole incorporates, so this outsole is iconic. You can always see it in nearly every pair of VANS. Is that waffled outsole, rubber, used for skating. Skaters continue to use it till this day. The midsole, so this is the difference. So if you were to compare ones that you can get in the market, just the old school with this OG old school, you can tell that it's got a higher foxing cut, and the rubber is more glossy. I can't see if you can see it in the camera, but it's much more glossier than the ones that you can get normal, like in Office. If we work our way along, you can see it right there. So you'll see the normal off the wall logo, but this time it is the one used from the 1960s. It's stamped right there in its red and white colorway. Going along onto the upper. Now this is where the differences reside in, that you can see. It's a shame that we don't have a pair to compare it to, but the canvas here is more heavy duty. It's more durable, it's that premium feel. The suede as well, I mean, it's so much more lush. Look at it, right there in the toe box, it's that dark navy. You can see in the lacing as well, it's so soft, it's like just missing the hairs. Going back onto the heel, and you've got the suede panels here, soft, love it, supple as well. More ankle support. Obviously these were built for skating. So back in the day, they'll skate with these on in empty swimming pools. Shout out to those people that have seen Lords of the Dogtown. And we've rounded it off with the insole, sorry. So this insole, it's more padded, it's more softer, and it's got a leather paneling with the VANS Originals logo there. Now, as I mentioned before, you can't really tell the difference. It really is, to the educated eye, that you can see it. But I mean, you can see it with that quality of suede, the fox cut around the midsole, and well, you can obviously see it with the stamp at the back. These, believe it or not, ladies and gents, are one of my favorite sneakers of all time. VANS Old School, and to be able to have a pair in the OG collection, it just kind of sheds a light of the kind of person I am and what I style myself in. I'm a big fan of like Converse 70s, so I always wear the OG close to the original pairs. We've done past videos of the OG Vault VANS, so we've done the slip-ons, both the navy one and the double taps collab. you could check out those videos there. And yeah, just to get the old schools, honestly, everyone's got a pair of old schools, but just to get those people that can tell the difference, to give you that nod of approval, that's what I kind of look for. I live quite a sad life, but many of you guys who are probably watching are sneakerheads too, and you get that nod of appreciation as well. So shout out to you guys, but shout out to those people who get the normal Vans as well. Like, you guys help Vans what they are today and the skate community. So big shout out to you lot. I'm going to tell you what these feel like on, tell you the sizing, etc. So roll that footage. Guys, when it comes to your Vans fit, I suggest getting a half size down. Usually I'm a 7.5, but for this, getting this half size down was the perfect choice. It's a good fit. I feel like it's hugging my feet. I mean, if you want to get a half size up for a little bit of room, then I suggest that, but these feel decent. It's not too tight, but I'm pretty sure I can break it in with a few wears. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.